How much of the R&R did you drink?
A little bit.
A little?
What I'm about to show you is the DWI arrest of one Arturo Gallegos, who spent over 30 years as a peace officer. At the time of his arrest, Gallegos was an investigator for the district attorney's office under the former district attorney, Mark Gonzalez. Now, the charges against Gallegos were dismissed, and for this reason, we are blurring his face. But now the circumstances surrounding the dismissal are under investigation.
Going on the traffic.
According to arrest records, May 29th of 2023, around 1:30 in the morning, a Corpus Christi police officer noticed a car driving erratically on Yorktown Boulevard. He pulled the driver over and asked for the driver's license.
What was that?
Instead of a driver's license, however, Arturo Gallegos handed the officer his district attorney ID while saying,
Hoping for some kind of professional courtesy.
This is something that would be repeated throughout the 40-minute interaction with officers.
Hoping for some kind of professional. Can we just get a little professional courtesy? Professional courtesy. Professional courtesy. You know that term, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Where is the professional courtesy, man? What happened to the professional courtesy, man?
Keep your feet together.
The professional courtesy, and you know what? There's a professional courtesy. Professional courtesy, man. Professional courtesy, man. Love that, dude.
Look, right now you're talking about professional courtesy, but right now you're asking me to sacrifice my job for you. If I allow you to drive and you wreck, I'm not going to lose my job.
According to the police report, after showing multiple signs of intoxication and refusing a breathalyzer test, Gallegos was arrested and a warrant to obtain a blood sample was issued. His blood alcohol content was found to be above than or equal to 0.15. That's nearly double the legal limit. The Corpus Christi Police Department, who would not speak on the specific case, spoke to the punishments and procedures of similar DWI cases.
And then you have a DWI above a 0.15 is what you're referring to, then enhances that to a Class A misdemeanor.
According to the Texas Commission on Law Enforcement, a DWI Class A misdemeanor would at the very least suspend Gallegos of his peace officer license. And as far as professional courtesy goes,
if you were to pull over a fellow peace officer, would the rules be any different than they would a regular citizen being pulled over?
Absolutely not.
On October 3rd, just 3 days before District Attorney Mark Gonzalez stepped down from the office to run for a Senate seat, Gallegos' charges were dismissed. That dismissal stamped with Gonzalez's signature. Among the reasons listed on the dismissal form, a statement that Gallegos had no positive test for alcohol, despite the complaint alleging a positive blood alcohol content of 0.15. According to county records, Gallegos resigned less than a month later, saying in his resignation letter, quote, "Circumstances leading to my resignation were less than ideal. Both you and Angelica showed me that you truly care about my well-being, and for that, I will always be grateful," end quote. We reached out to the current DA, who was appointed to the position by Governor Abbott and is seeking re-election in November. He told us that the DA's office should not have been involved in this case.
We would have absolutely recused ourselves from this. You can't prosecute cases where your employees are the defendants.
Christy Britz, a prosecutor for the district attorney's office and is also running for DA, she actually drafted the original DWI complaint against Gallegos. She told us that she also would have recused the DA's office had she been in charge. Now, I did reach out to the former district attorney, Mark Gonzalez, who refused to comment on this case, as well as Mr. Gallegos, who referred me to his attorney, who is yet to return any of my calls. But what happens now? Since bringing this case to Granberry's attention, he says that he will have an investigatory agency review the dismissal.
Well, we're going to look into it or have someone else look into some of these things. We are not an investigatory office.
So there could be more on this case later, but our investigation also sparked a policy change at the DA's office. Remember how I said that there was a stamp of the former DA's signature on the dismissal? Well, this evidently has been a regular practice with forms that require the DA's signature. When Granberry found out about this, he made immediate changes.
We just picked up all the stamps in my office today when I saw that it was stamped on a dismissal. I'm not going to use them. I'm good at signing my name.
We'll, of course, let you know if there are any updates on this case. For 6 Investigates, Brian Hoffman.